So this screen you're looking at is a screenshot of the creator of a system that allows you to make money, whether you have any understanding of Forex trading or not. And you just have to set this up once, let it run in the background, and it will do everything for you. No, it's not too good to be true, because I've seen the results for myself. It's okay to be skeptical, I understand, especially when it comes to Forex trading. I will be the very first to be skeptical, but I have seen somebody I know and trust who has seen incredible results, and he recommended it to me, and I had to take this opportunity. So if you want to see my results, make sure to follow me before I move on and show other people's results, because I do intend to keep posting results, and I hope you'll join me in this journey, because I just know it's going to be extremely exciting. I've already seen some pretty incredible results with my humble little investment. But now, on to the exciting, huge results. Okay, this screen, as you probably noticed at the bottom of the screen, the profit came to $2,800 in a week. So this is a weekly profit, and this is one of the creators' results. So yes, extremely exciting. So somebody else allowed me to share his result. So in the course of a week as well, he made $1,304. Ridiculous. It's incredible. And then somebody else made $254 even in a day, which is again incredible. And so this is the sort of result you can get for yourself. Obviously, it will depend on how much money you are willing to invest. And of course, as if with anything that you invest your money in, you shouldn't expect to have that money back. You should put it aside and completely forget about it. So please, if you do decide to do this, don't borrow money from anyone. Don't take money out of a credit card, take a loan out. That couldn't be further from wise. If you have a bit of money to spare, that's just sitting in your account, not earning any interest or very little interest, which is likely the case, then this is the sort of thing I would recommend. If you're watching this before Christmas Day, the creators have decided to extend the offer that they're making until Christmas Day. As far as I'm aware, it's around Christmas time, so do make sure to check to see if the offer is still available and you can join it. And yeah, I mean, I took advantage of the offer, and I am so grateful that I did, because yeah, it's absolutely incredible. So yes, do make sure to follow my channel and make sure to check future videos, because I'm going to continue posting my results. And if you haven't seen already, go and check my first video showing my first results. So I will speak with you in the next video. Bye.